comments and video of complaining from both Rain and Richard about how we betrayed them. You know, Richard was the one that kind of issued the hit out on Rain to begin with because, as he put it, Rain was the weak link. And now Richard's getting his task force out to go after, supposedly, us two. And Rain, well, he said he'll deal with us at another time because me and Calder here, we got our own issues to settle with a guy that's about this tall and claims he's a monster, and another guy that thinks he's the Man of Steel, another little sideshow freak named Killgun. And I guess they went and got that Japanese knockoff Suzuki, you know, something named after a car or ATV or something that's going to, I guess, take on me, him, and the rest of the order. Boys, don't learn. They're on fire. We're just getting started. Things aren't always as they seem. You know, Richard went on about family, about me betraying him. Rewind back to a few years ago when he did the same thing to me. Except, I kind of made it more known that he was going to be the sacrifice. Was it my fault that he couldn't read between the lines? Now, if he thinks that his task force is going to get the better of me like they did years ago, he can thank the big man, Taylor Henning, for me unraveling the psycho within. But he can also thank this man for awakening what should have been awoken a long time ago. Go ahead and tell him.
I have lived my life in torment, but I have found my way. I have spent this long time awakening the true side of Kilgore. The gods have spoken. We have been chosen to bring upon order in the ways of chaos. And I am the reckoning.
See, boys, you think we're your average pushovers. It's cause y'all got a few little victories here and there. I told y'all before, win or lose, I always win. Every battle, war is always won with the mind. Without order, there is no purpose. And without chaos, things cannot evolve. We've come to bring purpose. We've come to help the locker room, the N.G.W, the next generation evolve. Get ready, boys. The whole locker room is on notice. No one is safe. See you guys.